Hello, my beloved students of degree third year. I hope all of you are well by the grace of the Almighty, and I think you are continuing your study, staying at home. I would like to welcome all of you who are with me from different corners of Bangladesh. At the same time, I would like to give my special thanks to my Honorable Principal Sir for this excellent and nice arrangement. You know, I am Shamar Kumar Sutradhar, lecturer in English department at Binodpur under Mohammadpur Thana in Magura district. Today, I am here to continue the topics that I have started in my previous class. So, dear student, I think you can gauge what is our target of our discussion. Okay. Today, I am going to talk about framing WH question. This is my second online lecture and I would like to give my lecture with very simple language so that you can understand the topic very clearly. Okay, my dear students, in my last class I totally focused on how to create WH question. I told you in order to make WH questions you have to maintain a certain or standard structure of this sentence. And what is the structure? Actually, this is related to the process. This is related to the process of inversion. Okay, I have already told you what is inversion. Normally, verb is placed after subject. That I have already discussed in my previous class. But if verb is placed before the subject, it is called inversion. That means inversion is the process by which we use verb before the subject, and in order to have questions or in order to have WH questions, we have to use these WH words that I already mentioned in my previous class. WH words who, is, what, where, when, and these WH words must take their position at the beginning of the sentence, and after WH words you must have to put auxiliary verb, then subject, and at the end of the sentence you have to put question marks. If you fail to put question marks, the answer will not be correct. Okay, dear student, I don't want to have any informal talking today. Actually, I would like to start the topics by which you can learn. Okay, today I am going to talk about WH questions regarding where and when. In my last class, I told you in every English sentence there have any information. Okay? In any English sentence, that means every assertive sentence gives us any information. The information may be about time, the information may be about place, the information may be about cause the information may be about manner. In which position these WH words will be placed or will be used. Today I will clarify these topics. Okay, dear student, look at the board. If we practice some question, I think it will be clear for you for better understanding. I am giving you some example. He, when, where. He saw me the day. He saw me the day before yesterday. Before yesterday. Dear students, you are advised to take your pen and khata with you so that you can write down the things necessary for you. At the same time, you are told, if you have any query or any questions, or if you fail to understand me, you must ask the question. You can use the comment box. After the end of my class, I will read out your comments. Okay? He saw me the day before yesterday. Okay? I have already told you, every assertive sentence gives us information. In this sentence, we get also information. Okay, he saw me. The information is about time. When is used, we must not write this information, because this information, that means the information about time, will be replaced when. Okay? Then we will put when. He saw me when? The day before yesterday. From this sentence, we get information about time. Okay? So, according to our structure, according to our WH question structure, we will use WH words. That means we will use when at the beginning of the sentence. Okay? When, then we have to put auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb in the sentence. Auxiliary verb places directly in sum of sentences. We do not get auxiliary verb directly. Okay? But according to the structure of WH questions, or if we make WH questions, we have to put or we have to use auxiliary verb after WH words, or we have to use auxiliary verb before the subject. Otherwise, WH words will not be correct. Okay, here we get saw as the main verb, but we have to put or we have to use auxiliary verb according to the structure of WH questions. Actually, if we get main verb, we can take auxiliary verb from the main verb. Auxiliary verb usually sits according to or on the basis of main verb. Here, saw is the past form of the word see, that means of the verb see. If the verb is in past form, if the main verb is in past form, we will take did as the auxiliary verb. We will take did as the auxiliary verb. I repeat it again. If the main verb is in past form, if the main verb is in past form, we will use did as an auxiliary verb. Okay? When did, then we have to put subject. Here subject is a third person. If the subject is a third person, there will be no change. Okay? But if the subject or object is the first person, then we have to change into second person. Okay? But here the subject is a third person. When did he, then we have to put or we have to use the main verb. Main verb we will use main verb, but main verb in the present form. Okay? When, as I already used did, that means in the past form, so then we have to use main verb as in the present form. Okay? When did he see? When did he see? When did he see me? That will be changed into second person. When did he see you? And this information will not be given because when is replaced by the time. Okay? At the end of the sentence, we must use question mark. Okay? When did he see you? This is the right answer. Okay, dear students, I am giving you another example. I am telling you again, if you don't understand regarding WH questions, you must use the comment box. Okay? So that I can realize whether you are understanding or not. Team went to London. Team went to London. Team went to London last winter. I have already mentioned this is related to a great interest. If you understand how to make questions, you will get or you will find it very interesting. Okay? Team went to London last winter. I have already mentioned in every assertive sentence, there must have some information. Okay? From this sentence, we can get also some information. Okay? Team went to, the information is about place. The information is also about time. Okay? According to the structure of WH questions, we must put WH word, that means WH words, that means who, which, what, when, and I have already mentioned in which position we will use when, in which situation we will use where, in which situation we will use how, and in which situation we will use who. Okay? Team went to London last winter. If we take when, we must not write this information. Okay? We must not write this information. The information is about time. Okay? When, according to the structure, we will use or we need to use auxiliary verb. In this sentence, there is no direct auxiliary verb. I have already mentioned auxiliary verb is fixed on the basis of verb, on the form of verbs. If the main verb is in past form, that means went is the past form of go verb. Okay? So here went is in past form. If the verb is in past form, we will use did. We will use did as an auxiliary verb. Then we will use subject. When did Tim? When did Tim go to London? Then I will put question mark. Okay, dear student, be careful. Don't forget to put the question mark after making WH question. Okay? If you fail to put question marks, the answer will not be correct. Okay? From this sentence, we can get another information. The information is about place. Okay? Then if we get the information about place, we will use where. We will use where. But the structure is same. Okay? When did Tim, WH word, after WH word we will use auxiliary verb, then we will use subject. Where did Tim go? Not when. We'll use go because went is the past form of go. Where did Tim go last winter? It is also a correct WH questions. Okay, so we can use both when and where. Dear students, I am giving you another example. Okay, I suggest you to practice at home because practice makes you perfect. Okay, my elder sister reached Chattogram, Chattogram. My elder sister reached Chattogram in the evening. My elder sister reached Chattogram in the evening. From this sentence, we get some information. The information is about place. Also, we get information about time. Okay? So, according to the structure, we will use WH words. If in order to know about time, we will use when. In order to know about the place, we will use where. Okay? Now we will use when. According to the structure, we will put auxiliary verb. In this sentence, there is no direct auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, that means do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, will, should, would, could, need, there. Okay, dear students, so according to the structure, we will put auxiliary verb. As there is no direct auxiliary verb, we will take auxiliary verb on the basis of main verb. Okay, as the main verb is in past form, we will take did as an auxiliary verb. Okay, when did, dear students, I am repeating it again. If you fail to understand me regarding WH questions, please don't hesitate to ask me question. Okay? You will ask me the question using your comment box. Okay? When did, here the subject my elder sister. My is the positive form of first person. That means it will be changed into second person. My, that means when did your. elder sister when did your elder sister, then we will use main verb, but we will use main verb as in the present form. When did your elder sister reach Chattogram? When did your elder sister reach Chattogram? Okay, we must not use this information because this information is replaced by WH word when. Okay, I am giving you another example. I get up in the morning. Okay, from this sentence we get some information. The information is about in the morning. The information is about time. Okay, according to the structure we will use WH word. As the information is about time, we will use when. Here there is no direct auxiliary verb, so we will use an auxiliary verb on the basis of main verb. Here the main verb is in present form. Okay, dear student, here the main verb is in present form. So if the main verb is in present form, we have to use do or does. Okay, we will use do. When do, I will be replaced by second person you. When do you get up? Okay, this is the answer. Okay, dear students, I will advise you to practice more and more at home. If you have any question or query, you will ask me by using your comment box. Okay, this is how we have to make WH question. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the WH questions regarding how. Okay, dear student, keep safe and stay at home. Okay, thank you.